Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to redeem AMC yellow tickets online. First, navigate to the AMC Theater's website or open their mobile app. Browse available movies and select your desired showtime and location. Once you've made your selection, proceed to the checkout page. This process is straightforward and ensures you can use your tickets without hassle. We'll walk through each step to make sure you're comfortable with the entire redemption process. Once you're on the checkout page, look for a section labeled AMC Yellow Ticket or Promo Code. This is where you'll input your unique ticket information. Carefully enter the 12-digit code printed on the back of your physical yellow ticket. Each yellow ticket has a distinct code, so ensure you enter it accurately for each ticket you wish to redeem. After entering, apply the code to see your total adjust. It's important to remember that AMC yellow tickets are generally valid for standard movie showings. However, they might not apply to special engagements, Fathom events, or premium formats such as IMAX, Dolby Cinema, or 3D. Always review the specific terms and conditions printed on your physical yellow ticket for any exclusions or limitations. This ensures a smooth redemption experience and avoids any surprises at checkout. If you encounter any issues, first double-check that you've entered the 12-digit code correctly. Also, confirm that your yellow tickets haven't expired, as they typically have an expiration date. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact AMC Guest Services for direct assistance. They are always ready to help. And hey, while you're here, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.